Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you a simple program. So basically I'm going to write a simple program which is going to get your subject and your mark, and it is going to grade you, such as based on your marks it's going to say you got A or you got B or you got C depending on this value. So these are the parameters we need to insert that. For example, if the marks is greater than or equal to 35, you got S. 45 you got C, and 75 is going to be greater than 75 is you get A and A plus, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do in this video, basically we have been learning so many things from past. So earlier in this video we have learned so many concepts in Python, such as if conditions and comparison operators and casting and string concatenation and so many things. So we're going to combine all of them and we're going to write a simple real world program in this video. So let's get started. So first of all I want to get the subject name. So input, enter the subject. The second one is going to be mark. So input, enter the marks. So here I'm going to write if condition score mark is greater than or equal to 35, and why? Because and is very important. I will explain why. Then mark is less than 45. Okay, if your marks is going to be between these two numerical values, okay, it is between 35 and it between in 45, you got what is that? S. Okay, and if it is above 45, you got C. So between these marks you're going to say you got in something. So you do string concatenation. So you say the subject name, no, first is the grade, I think S. You got S in the subject name. Then the subject name is going to be, what is the subject name? They usually going to enter. So I'm going to execute this program to make sure whether it works perfectly. So it didn't work perfectly because I think it is going to return an error. I will tell you why. So I'm gonna say 65. So it says something not supported between instances, because like I said before in the previous video I have taught you by default these two objects return string types, not numerical type, but we need to have number in order to do some kinds of comparison. We can't do comparison with string. So what we need to do, we need to cast it. So we're going to cast mark as numerical value. So now Python knows the mark is a number value. Now Python can do comparison. Now Python can check if the mark is greater than 35 and less than 45. It's going to do this. It's going to say you got S in the subject name. Okay, the subject name will be given by the user. So I'm going to say math marks is going to be 37. So you can see you got S in math. So you need to do this for all occurrences, like I said before. Elif int mark is gonna be 45, and mark is gonna be, so int mark is gonna be 65. Okay, is gonna be, you're gonna say something like, we're gonna say something like this: you got C in the subject name. So basically what is this? If your mark is between 45 and 65, you got C. So I'm going to repeat this again with the different parameters. Okay, I'm going to once again repeat it. Okay, so I'm saying if your marks is gonna be 65 and less than 75, you got V. Okay, if your marks is gonna be greater than 75 and less than 90, okay, you got A. If your marks is greater than 90, okay, less than 100, okay, less than or equal to 100, you got A plus. Otherwise, if the user enters anything apart from this, you have to say please enter correct value. Okay, now I'm going to execute this program and I'm gonna enter the subject. I'm gonna enter 76 as a marks, and you can say you got A in math. So I'm gonna say 95, you got oh, I made a simple mistake. So first of all, I put the subject name and then I'm gonna say 97, so you got A plus in math. Like that, I'm gonna say English. Okay, I'm gonna say I got 68, you got B in English. Okay, this is all about, guys, and this is a simple program. This get your subject name and marks. Depending on that, it returns the grade for you. I hope it makes perfect sense for you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.